Good morning students, welcome to SSC class, and today I am starting a new chapter from geography. The chapter name is manufacturing industries. We have some topics in the chapter. The first topic is introductory part. Now what is manufacturing? Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. Manufacturing industries fall in the secondary sector, whereas agriculture fall in the primary sector. Now, the economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Now, the importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing sector is considered as the backbone of development in general and economic development because it helps in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy. Also, it reduced the heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sectors. It helps in eradication of unemployment and poverty from the country. Export of manufactured goods brings foreign exchange. It helps in transforming raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value. Now, agriculture and industry. Agriculture and industry are dependent on each other. Industries give a major boost to agriculture by raising its productivity by providing their tools and products such as fertilizers, etc. Industry depends on agriculture for raw materials and sell their products such as irrigation pumps, fertilizers, insecticides, then pesticides, plastic and PVC pipes, machines and tools, etc. to the farmers. Now, contribution of industry to national economy. The contribution of industry in the GDP is very low in India as compared to East Asian economy. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council has been set up by the government to take appropriate policy measures to improve the productivity of manufacturing sector. Okay students, in our next video we will discuss about the next part of this chapter. Goodbye, take care.